Hi, come on in. I'm Carl. This is my shop, Strong Frames in Bozeman, Montana. Let me show you around. Come on. I'll introduce you to the rest of the crew. This is my lovely wife over here, Loretta. And Loretta's the one that holds the whole joint together. She's takes care of all the booking and all of the financial side of things, organization. She does the packing and the shipping and receiving. And then over here we've got Bill. And Bill is our assembler, and he puts all the bikes together that go out the door. He's got 6 years of experience, Bill? Yeah. So he's obviously a lot older than he looks, and I guess that speaks for all the riding that he does. And these are our shop dogs. This is Frankie, and she's a little alpha, and she's got her bark collar on, and it's citronella because she won't ever shut up, but it's humane. And then this is Miles. Miles is the new one. So we got little one Frankie, big one Miles. So you've seen this area, shipping and receiving. This is our machine shop, and basically we've got a couple milling machines over here. This is where we do all the mitering for the frame tubes so that they fit together. We've got a series of different fixtures here that will hold the tubes together in relation to one another. We have fork fixtures, seat stays, chain stays. Some of these I've made, and some of them I've purchased from Anvil Frameworks, Don Ferris, who's the bomb. This is where we cut the main tubes right here. And we've got a lathe over there. And then our main fabrication area is right over here. Let me show you. So this is our main frame building area. This is all the tools and fixtures that help me put the bike together once it's been machined over in the machining area. What we have here is our Anvil Supermaster tacking fixture. I've used several other fixtures over the years, and this is by far the best one that I've ever used for a combination of flexibility, speed of setup, rigidness, and just understanding the needs of the frame builder. What it does is it holds all the tubes in relation to one another so that when I load them all in, it looks like a bike. At that point, I'll tack the bike together, and I'll come over to this plate here, which is an alignment surface. And what this does is it holds the frame horizontal to the ground, and it allows us to measure all the tubes in relation to one another and their center line. This is actually from the Waterford factory from back in the day. I stumbled across it over in Burlington, Wisconsin, drove over and got it and restored it. Love it. It's probably my favorite piece in the shop. I do all my welding over here. This is my welding machine. It's all Syncrowave 250. I weld everything freehand. You'll hear a lot of people discuss welding in the fixture versus welding freehand. I take the frame out, I align it, I put it in the fixture, I start welding it in this bike stand here, and I will go back and forth to the alignment plate to make sure that it's maintaining alignment, but I don't like to align it in the fixture because I feel it loads up stresses that are going to be in there indefinitely. This is my main workbench finishing area here. I've got some air tools for final finishing, a work stand to hold the frame, classic hand files. This is my oxygen acetylene rig with a gas fluxer. This is an ultrasonic cleaner that I use for cleaning small parts to make sure that they're oil free in order to get good results when I silver braze all the small parts on. And then my tool board, different fixtures for holding, jigs for holding different parts like cantilever bosses and brakes, my machining tools. And then this is my little sub office. And this is what allows me to be so accessible and responsive, is that I can take calls and reply to emails while I'm working because I keep this little office right in my work area. But we also have our main office area, which is used more by Loretta than myself, but I'll use it for things when I need to have more privacy or I need to focus more on work. And it's behind glass so that it stays clean and we can display bikes there and make sure everything stays in tip-top shape. We have a couple bikes on display here. One that we built for the hand-built bike show last year. That's ready for a magazine review with the Mountain Flyer out of Gunnison, Colorado. We've got one frame in stock. Ideally, we don't ever have any because they're all made to order, but I think we'll probably end up stocking some here just because we have the space now. Some magazine articles, reviews that were written, a couple of jerseys. Also, we've got over here is my old Stark Raven sign from my bike shop days. That's there to remind me never to open another bike shop again. And then this is Loretta's work area. Come back here, I'll just give you a quick tour of the rest of the joint. This is our sandblast room with a soak tank here where we soak bike frames so that all the flux comes off of them after we build them. We finish all of our titanium with glass media, and that's done right here. And then back here, right back to where we started, which is the assembly area and shipping and receiving. That's the tour. Thanks for stopping by and checking out the Strong Frame shop. We'll be doing more of these webisodes, so check our website regularly, and we'll see you.